Welcome back to Lucky Naresh Physics channel. Students, in this session I am going to do numericals on refractive index in light. To do numericals on refractive index, we should know about formulae. What are the formulae we have? Look at here. Refractive index from Snell's law, n equal to sine angle of incidence by sine angle of refraction. Absolute refractive index, that is n equal to c by v. That means speed of light in air or vacuum by speed of light in the given medium. Next, relative refractive index. That means refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. That equal to speed of light in medium 1 by speed of light in medium 2. You can write n21 is equal to n2 by n1. That equal to 1 by n12. Now we will do problems. Look at here. Problems on refractive index. The first one is refractive index of glass is 1.5. If the speed of light is in vacuum is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, then find the velocity of light in glass. First we will write given data. Look at here. Given refractive index of glass is 1.5. That is refractive index of glass n suffix z equal to 1.5. If the speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, that means c equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Then find velocity of light in glass. Velocity of light in glass is equal to question mark. Okay. So here we need to calculate velocity of light in glass with respect to speed of light in vacuum. That is absolute refractive index. What is the formula we have for absolute refractive index? That is n equal to c by v. Look at here. Refractive index of glass equal to c by v. V means velocity of light in glass. Okay. From that we need to calculate velocity of light in glass. So I will write velocity of light in glass to the left side. Vg equal to c by ng. That equal to c means 3 into 10 power 8 by refractive index of glass 1.5. So this one I can write 30 by 15 into 10 power 8. Okay, 15 table 30 2 times. So what we got? We got 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So we got speed of light in glass 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So we got the answer here. Therefore, speed of light in glass equal to 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Okay. Now we will do second problem. Second problem, see here. Speed of light in glass is 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Find the refractive index of glass. First we will write given data. Look at here. Solution. Given speed of light in glass, that is v suffix z equal to 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Then find the refractive index of glass. Find the refractive index of glass. That is n suffix z equal to question mark. Okay. So here we know that speed of light in air or vacuum, that is c equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. We have to calculate refractive index of glass. Okay. So here we have to take absolute refractive index. That is n of g equal to c by vg. That means speed of light in air or vacuum by speed of light in glass. That equal to 3 into 10 power 8 by 2 into 10 power 8. So 10 power 8, 10 power 8 cancel. So 3 by 2 means what you will get? 1.5. So we got finally refractive index of glass, that is 1.5. Okay, that's about second problem. Now we will do third problem. Third problem, look at here. Refractive index of water is 4 by 3 and refractive index of glass is 3 by 2. Find refractive index of glass with respect to water. Look at here, what they have given. Given refractive index of water, n suffix w, 4 by 3. Okay. Refractive index of glass, n suffix glass, that equal to how much? 3 by 2. Then what do you have to calculate here? Find the refractive index of glass with respect to water. That is refractive index of glass with respect to water is equal to question mark. So if you observe the formula here, we can write N21 equal to N2 by N1. We can apply this one. Look at here, refractive index of glass with respect to water, like N21 equal to N2 by N1. Like that I can write Ng by Nw, that equal to Ng means how much? 3 by 2 by Nw means 4 by 3, that equal to, if you move 4 by 3 to the up, what will you get? You will get 9 by 8. So finally we got refractive index of glass with respect to water, that is 9 by 8. For suppose in the same problem, if they ask refractive index of water with respect to glass, just you should reverse this. How? Look at here. Also refractive index of water with respect to glass, that equal to, I can write 1 by Ngw. 1 by Ngw means 1 by 9 by 8. 1 by 9 by 8 means reciprocal 8 by 9. Okay. So we also found here refractive index of water with respect to glass. So that's about numerical. In next session we will discuss about lens. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for all notifications. Thank you.